Hello, welcome to this video. If you, diabetic, seek to control blood sugar safely and easily with a 100% natural formula, here you will meet Beliv, a 100% natural supplement without negative side effects, where you will combine it with your healthy eating and exercise routine to have a normal and healthy life. Well, I imagine that you have used many other medications besides insulin and you are tired of not feeling or seeing results, but the Beliv is here to change that and is a success. Just launched in 2022. Manufactured in the United States, a state-of-the-art facility registered by the FDA and certified by GMP and based on the teachings of modern science. Nice to meet you. My name is Carolina, and I am an official representative of this manufacturer. In this video you will get complete information about Beliv. So stay with me until the end, that I will also give you two super important and essential warnings. So let's get to it. You must be wondering if Beliv works, and the answer is yes. It should be known that this is a silent disease. When the most obvious signs appear, it is in a more advanced stage, so it is essential to understand how the disease manifests itself in the body and fundamentally how to take care of your diet. Although it is a chronic disease and has no cure, it can be controlled by making the person have a normal and quality life, and this is the goal of Beliv. Number 1 in solution to supporting healthy blood sugar. Beliv is powerful and effective in controlling blood sugar, helping with energy throughout the day. Beliv has proven to produce amazing results in men and women in their 30s, 40s, 50s, and even 70s. Its use is quite simple and its bottle is also very practical to carry in purses. Just put a full dropper under the tongue in the morning before coffee or dissolve in a glass of water and take it. Each body is unique, and by using it correctly, the time it takes to feel the results may vary. According to testimonials, most people start to feel the difference before the first 30 days. However, the best results come when you take Beliv consistently for 3 months or longer to allow time to cleanse, restore and renew. Now I'll give you the 2 warnings I promised at the beginning of the video. Alert 1. This manufacturer guarantees so much on their results that they give you a 60-day guarantee, so you can try it, and if you are not satisfied with the results, you can return the product and request a refund. So it is advisable that you buy the combo with 3 or 6 bottles, taking advantage of the discount and using it for the minimum refund time. Alert number 2. You will only find Beliv on the official website. If you are interested in trying this innovative formula, I am leaving here below in the description of this video the official website, so you do not fall for scams or buy fake products. Translated with www.deepl